How many points is that? 2.
3, 5.
Okay. Okay. Next, do you want to add anything else? Anything else you can add? Okay. So let's start with this. Okay. So if you say torch, this is commonly termed as a flashlight. Okay. So I guess everybody know what is a flashlight is. Okay.
What is that?
Alright, so this torch is made up of, can you name the components here? Can you name the components of this torch? Who wants to volunteer? Pompon. Name the different components here. Components?
Battery.
Okay, you have the battery.
The bulb and the switch.
And you have the switch. Alright.
Wire.
Of course, you have the wire. Okay? Don't forget the wire. Okay. So who wants to try this on the board using what you've learned from the past before I'm going to introduce the British standard? Who wants to draw an electric circuit, okay, using this diagram? And then afterwards, we're going to compare it with the British standard. Who wants to draw on the board? Who wants to draw? Okay, that's the same. Okay. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so always remember that when it is positive, okay, in battery it should be longer, okay? The short one, that is the negative, okay? So what kind of energy is this one? No. Is this a direct current or alternating current?
Direct current.
Okay, so if you say direct current, how does the flow of electricity? How is the representation here? Okay, so if it's positive to negative, so how? Is it this way or this way? Who says 1? Who says 2? Okay. Finally, okay, you commit a mistake. It says this is positive, this is negative, so which one? Okay, so it should be 2. Okay?
So, electron positive.
No. The flow of the electricity is from positive to negative, right? Okay. Okay, never mind this one, okay? Let's continue, okay? Okay? Now, let us compare this one in British standard. Okay, do you have here the different components? Okay, you have the battery, the same, different, the same. Okay? Okay? Positive, negative. The switch is really different here. Okay, as you can see. Okay? The bulb, it is the same. Okay? So if we're going to draw the circuit diagram, it will look like this one. Okay, it will look this one. Okay, so alright, so these are the basic components. Okay, we have the battery, we have the bulb, switch, LED, the buzzer, the resistor, the motor, and the diode. Okay? Diode. Okay? So let's see, okay, the differences. Okay, what are the difference? Okay, the differences of these following symbols. Okay, with your symbols. Okay. So in battery, the same. The bulb, the same. In switch, it's not the same. In LED, this one, we have the buzzer, you have the resistor, capacitor. Don't be confused with the sign of the symbol of capacitor from the battery. Okay. In capacitor, equal, the size is equal. Okay. So you have the motor. Okay. It's only M. Okay. Next, you have the diode. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to give you a few seconds here, a few minutes, okay, to review or to familiarize yourself with the different symbols, okay, and then afterwards I'm going to call someone on the board to draw an electric circuit using the British standard. Volunteer from the class? Volunteer. Using the British standard. Okay, Patumler. Using the British standard. Alright, is this correct?
Yeah.
Alright, how many points do you want?
Oh. 5.
Alright, so you want 5, okay? Alright, good. So this is correct. Okay, next. So let's check if you... Okay. It is correct. Okay? The same. Okay? Alright. Here. We are here in exercise number 3. Okay? So... Alright. Who wants to read the questionnaire? Who wants to read? Mark. Read.
Identify the electronics components in this following circuit.
Alright. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. Okay. Who wants to name number 1? Who wants to name number 1? Who's in?
Diode.
How do you spell?
D-I-O-D.
D-I-O-D-E. Good. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is my point. Oh. Alright, good. Number 2. Chenanyu. Okay, so you have the Good. Next, number 3. Yes. Okay, you have the resistor. Good. Number 4. Yes, Mr. Puripo. Okay, you have the LED. Okay, good. Okay, anyway, what is LED? Okay, this is light, anything, diode. Okay, light emitting diode. Okay, then let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, yes, capacitor, resistor, and you have the LED. Okay, you already have your point. Next. Alright, this one. Let's make it a little bit complicated. Okay. Who wants to do it on the board for 5 marks? For 5.
10 marks.
Who wants from the class? Volunteer? So it is correct. Okay, how many marks is that? 5. Okay, so you have the 5. Go. Okay, the board is full. Okay? So, do you have any question about this one? Okay, if you don't have a question, kindly answer the worksheet that I gave you. Okay? And please use a ruler, okay, to make it neat and clean. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and we'll go there. Yes.
Can I use pencil?
Pen. Okay?
Teacher, can I use pencil?
Yes.
ไม่ได้ช้อนก็คือปกติแล้วเนี่ยไอตัวที่เป็นแบตเตอรี่อ่ะมันจะวิ่งจากถ้าเป็นอิเล็กตรอนใช่ปะมันจะวิ่งจากขั้วลบเสมอแต่กระแสมันจะวิ่งสวนทางกับอิเล็กตรอนก็คือเกิดการย้อนกลับอย่างเงี้ยทีเชอร์ชอนก็เลยบอกว่ามันเลยวิ่งจากบวกไปลบถ้าตัวเรนอ่ะมันคือเวลาขั้วใช่ไหมมันจะเป็นขั้วบวกกับขั้วลบนะอิเล็กตรอนนะถ้าคิดถึงอิเล็กตรอนเขาภายในมันจะมีการวิ่งของอิเล็กตรอนถูกปะ
อิเล็กตรอนมันต้องวิ่งทางนี้จ้ะ
ไม่ใช่อิเล็กตรอนจะวิ่งจากลบไปบวกใช่มันจะวิ่งจากลบไปบวก
แต่ว่าเคยเล่นมันต้องสวนทาง
ใช่เคยเรียนสองทางก็คือก็เลยวิ่งลง